Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sharif Tech. Today I will show you how to change language in Camtasia. First one, you have to install this app. So I open this app. Next. I hope you can see there is two language. One is Russian, there is another language. You have to select this language because this language mention USA. Okay, next. Then install. Waiting for few minutes, it will be installed easily. If you wanna more video like this, you can subscribe my channel. I will try to upload next video how to use Camtasia. It's so fast app. Just waiting 10 seconds, 1 second. It's okay. Now you have to click finish. Skip this. Open this app. Now you can see Camtasia 9. Just look. You can see. I hope you are understand. If you wanna like more videos, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. So